Good morning and win today. I'm Royal Riney for all the new subscribers to my channel. I want to say thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. And if you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Guys, it's Wednesday and I opened my big mouth and said I would put a new video out every Wednesday. I can't talk now. All right, guys. So today I'm just going to do a quick lock routine for you. And while I'm doing the lock routine, I have a voiceover coming and that voiceover, right? So let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just get into it. Okay, guys, I was gonna go all in and do like a whole style on my hair and whatever, but I won't be doing that today because it's just like it's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm just gonna let my hair breathe this week and not go ahead and do all that stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna do like a bun on my locks, so stay tuned for that, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to start by taking my hair down from this messy ponytail that I have in, right? So I release my hair from that, as you guys can see, and I use my fingers to break up the hair or loosen it or comb through it with my fingers. You know it's locks, so you can't actually go through it with a comb, right? So I use my fingers. Then I get my coconut water and I go ahead and spritz my hair with it. I just, yeah, basically get my hair wet because you guys know it's just harder to get anything done when your hair is like dry, So what I'm saying is it's easy to manipulate when your hair is wet. So after I do that, I go ahead and I add my leave-in conditioner. This is key in locks or whatever kind of hair type you have, but what this does, it just like soften my hair. So this really soften it up. This gives it like moisture. This basically saves my life. And I'm not kidding, guys, like it just it like normally I have really dry hair, so this stuff really just like helps me out a lot. It just keeps my hair nice and soft and moist and like moisturized. It just gives me what I want. So, and the name of that product, it's just Shea Moisture. What is it? Oh, it's Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. So it's really good. I recommend. Yeah, guys, and I lather up my hair. I don't miss out a part of my hair. You guys saw when I put it in the back in my undercut earlier, and I just put it all over on the ends, in the root, in the middle, everywhere. Then I go ahead and I add my tea tree oil. I love tea tree oil. It's just, this also adds to making your hair really soft, and not dry. I can't find a word, but yeah, not dry. So I do the same thing. I just go on in, I lather my hair up. I get in the roots, I get the back, I get, and you guys can see my roots just look really healthy here and looks moisturized. It doesn't look dry or anything like that, So I proceed to just add it all throughout my hair. You guys can see I'm like rubbing it into the locks right now because I just like hate when my hair is dry. It caused me personally an headache. So I just, make sure that it gets what it needs. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have like experience just like having really dry hair, like especially, and what do you use, Let me know below. Yeah, guys, so I go ahead and I finger comb my locks again. Yeah. Oh, and that felt so good, guys, just like massaging it in there. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So now I'm going to make the ponytail, right? So I use my fingers to comb through my locks as I proceed to put it up in a ponytail. We're all familiar with a ponytail, right? It's just that I have locks. Yeah, guys. So, I go ahead and I put it up just like that, right? And you can see it's so easy to like manage. It's so easy to like manipulate. There's nothing like tangles hair. There's nothing like, damage. Actually, my hair is a little, it's a little bit damaged from when I put the dye on there. I would never do that again. But that's for a different time, guys. So yeah, I put the scrunchie on. I wrap it twice to make sure it's nice and tight. If I did leave it there once, then the ponytail would just fall down, So I make sure that I wrap it around twice, and it's not too tight at all. It's just perfect, actually. So yeah, guys, I get my hair in the ponytail. That's the first step in making this bun, right? And what I do is I take my comb and I just use that to make my hair neat. Like I just brush everything up into the ponytail so it stays nice and groomed and clean. Is clean the word? Neat, right, guys? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going around the edges of my head or the edges of my hair and just proceeding to brush that up into the ponytail. I do have edge control that I use, but sometimes I don't know if I'm getting the wrong one or what, but it just leaves me with so much like white residue all around the edges of my hair. So I just leave out the leave-in what is it called? Yeah, I just leave out the edge control for now, Yeah, guys, and you don't want to forget the back of your hair, So as you can see here, I'm using the comb to just comb it out so it also has a nice, neat, and groomed look, right? And that felt so good, guys. I don't know, it felt so good. So I just go ahead and yeah, groom the back of my hair. Basically, I get everything brushed down and brush up the parts that are going into the ponytail, Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'm just brushing everything out right now. And the back of my head is so cute. Guys, I'm really happy that I got this undercut. Like, just makes life easier for me, Too much hair. That's what it was. It was just too much locks. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah, guys. So I'm just checking and making sure that everything is nice and neat and doing what I wanted to do. So here comes the important part. I'm going to go ahead and start forming my forming my bun. And guys, my hands were already so tired, So yeah, I just start forming my bun, and I just kind of like, I don't even know how to say this, but I just kind of like start to curve it around in like a donutty type of direction. That makes sense? Yeah, just kind of like, see, I'm confused. Just bringing it around in a circle. Yeah. So, guys, this is the hard part, It's just, and I don't have any bobby pins. I don't know where those things go, but they just like disappear on me. Let me know if you guys have this struggle. Do you guys like lose your bobby pins? Please let me know in the comments. I cannot be the only one. But yeah, I have no bobby pins. And to be honest with you guys, it actually when I do this bun and without the bobby pin, it does stay. It really does stay up. And I have like a really sensitive scalp as well. So here I am trying to see if the scrunchie will fit over, and that's just not gonna happen. But I have a sensitive scalp, and it's like if my hair is being pulled too tight, if I have too much bobby pins in there, it just like I get a really bad headache, So yeah, we can do without them. we can. And you guys can see my bun is coming together. It's so cute. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. Yeah, get it, girl. Guys, this is my happy dance because you know this, it's not an easy thing to just, get a bun on your locks like that. So, always do my happy dance at the end of this. And I lost my comb. Yeah, that's pretty common too. So, I'm just using the end of the comb to, or both sides to just like, get the hair brushed back into the lock, guys. Yeah. Ooh, who's this fine girl? Guys, your Royal Rainy is pretty fine. Yeah. Okay. I'm feeling this hairstyle, guys. I'm really feeling it. Can you tell? Yeah. And I'm just showing you how the back looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and tuck those loose parts out. It's just kind of hard because you can't really see the back of your head, but whatever. I'm showing you how the sides look. Having a little fun here. Yeah, guys, so I've done it. I've accomplished a bun on my locks. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Yeah. It looks like I need to tie it down a little. Guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me for another video. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys. Um, don't forget to drop a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you won't miss a video the next time your girl uploads, your beautiful girl uploads. You will not miss another video, all right? So until then, guys, I'm uploading a new video on Sunday, all right? So your girl has Wednesday and Sundays as her upload days. But do you know how hard it was to get this video out on Wednesday? It's like once you open your mouth and say something, what is it? The universe, everything tries to just like make it damn near impossible to accomplish that task. But I'm here, I did it, and nothing is going to stop us, all right? This is 2021. Nothing is going to stop us. Drop a comment, leave it down below, type in the comment box, nothing is going to stop us, all right? So I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.